Hello friends, in today's class we are going to discuss what is mean by your coupling reactions, applications of your coupling reactions, how coupling reactions are useful in our day-to-day life chemistry, in organic chemistry as well as inorganic chemistry. So we will discuss coupling reaction in detail, and we will also discuss one of the most famous reaction in organic and inorganic, that is Hake coupling reactions. So let's start our video. In this slide we have mentioned that what is meant by your coupling reactions. So coupling reactions are those in which addition of your organic fragment takes place by using a metal catalyst. So there are two types of coupling reaction. One is cross coupling reaction and another is your homo coupling reactions. In cross coupling reactions, different organic fragments combine with each other. So in cross coupling we use a different types of organic fragments combine with each other, whereas in homo coupling reactions we use a same organic fragment couple with each other. तो क्रॉस कपलिंग रिएक्शन का काफ़ी यूज़ है इन रिसर्च एज वेल एज इन आवर केमिस्ट्री लाइफ, इन दैट इज़ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री एज वेल एज इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. वेरेज तो होमो कपलिंग रिएक्शंस का काफ़ी कम यूज़ है. तो होमो कपलिंग रिएक्शन आर नॉट मच यूजफुल, दैट मच यूजफुल एज that as a cross coupling reactions. So let's discuss the applications of your coupling reactions. Now applications of coupling reactions are those they are useful in your various polymers, so in medicinal chemistry, natural products, etc. and many more. So coupling reaction एक ऐसी reaction है जो कि आपकी मेडिसिनल में काफ़ी यूज़ होता है, एज वेल एज पॉलीमर्स में भी होता है, एज वेल एज नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स वी सिंथेसाइज इन आवर लैब by using a coupling reactions. So you understand the importance of coupling reaction by this, how it is very much important in your industrial areas. So coupling reaction are very much more important in your industry. One of the most important thing of your coupling reaction is one of the formation of your carbon-carbon bond formation in organic chemistry by using a metal catalyst. So I have discussed one examples in this slide. We have used acid chloride that is treated with your Grignard reagent and that is converted to your ketone groups. So in this simple reaction, just R group is attached to your carbonyl carbon atom. So there is a formation of your carbon carbon bond by using a Grignard reagents. So how carbon carbon bond plays a very important role, that is justified in these slides. So let's move towards the next slide. Coupling reactions reduces steps in chemistry. So if you look, there are 8 to 9 steps involved in these reactions. So we will discuss one by one step in this slide. First of all, benzene is treated with your CH3Cl in the presence of aluminum chloride. So we get a toluene. So further, toluene is treated with your KMnO4. So it is converted to your carboxylic acid. Further, this carboxylic acid is treated with your thionyl chloride or PCl5, that is converted to your acid chloride. In the next step, acid chloride is treated with your ammonia. So further we get a amide. So that amide, when treated with your HNO2 or NaNO2 in presence of your HCl, we get a diazonium salt, that is N2Cl, which is very useful in our chemistry. So further, when we treat a diazotization product with your copper iodide, we get a idobenzene, and further this idobenzene, when treated with your lithium, we get a lithium substituted benzene. So if you look the steps involved, 7 to 8 steps involved, this we converted the benzenes into your nucleophile. So one of the most important reaction, that is Ullmann reaction, is based on the further that iodobenzene, when treated with your copper iodide, this couple with each other, two benzene rings couple with each other and formation of your product. So just a Ullmann reaction is also an application part of your coupling reaction. So we use a metal catalyst to couple two benzene rings. So coupling reaction reduces the steps that we are performing from 1 to 8 steps. We want to perform the benzene into your nucleophile by using a metal catalyst. So coupling reaction reduces steps in your organic chemistry as well as in your inorganic chemistry. So that is discussed in these slides. So let's move towards the next slides. In this we are going to discuss one of the great scientists, Hake, discovered the Hake coupling reaction, which is useful in your many industries for formation of your carbon-carbon bond formation. So various polymers, various medicines and various natural products are synthesized by using this Hake coupling reactions. So how the Hake coupling reaction is? So what is meant by Hake coupling? So Hake coupling reaction is a palladium catalyzed cross coupling reactions between alkenes, aryl, vinyl halides or tripletes to afford substituted alkenes. So it is useful for formation of your carbon-carbon bond forming reaction with a very much synthetic importance in your day-to-day life chemistry. So there is a general reaction, alkyl halide treated with your alkene and a palladium catalyzed base is used. We get a formation of your alkene with a formation of your R is attached to that alkene. So you will look at importance. So we can increase a chain of reaction by using a coupling reaction. We can synthesize a biggest molecule by combining this alkyl halide and alkene. Okay, so here R may be your aryl halide, vinyl halide or benzyl halides, and X may be your leaving group, that is iodine, bromine and tripletes. So this was the general thing about your Hake coupling reactions. Now we will discuss the mechanism of your Hake coupling reactions. So that is in the first step, that is palladium L2. So first thing you should keep in mind that palladium is useful in your palladium 0 and palladium 2 oxidation state. So just addition of your aryl halide to it in the second step. So we will get a R is attached to your palladium and X, that is a good leaving group, is attached iodine, bromine or a triplet is attached to a palladium to in a trans manner. Further, there is a just addition of your alkene, coordination of your alkene takes place. So in the next step, just a coordination of your alkene takes place to your palladium metal. Further, just a migratory insertion takes place. This R group, that may be your alkyl, aryl or your vinyl, that is just migrated towards the alkene. So that step is your migratory insertion. So further, after migratory insertion, there is a beta hydride elimination takes place. So beta hydride elimination, so just there is a elimination of your one hydride group is shifted to your palladium and this alkene group is removed. Further, the next step is just a cis trans isomer takes place, and the last step is a reductive elimination of your palladium metal. Okay, in last step we get a palladium L2. जो लेके चले थे वही लास्ट में मिल गया. ठीक है. So at last we get a palladium L2 plus HX is removed. So this was all about your Hake coupling reaction mechanism, that is palladium catalyst is used in your Hake coupling reactions. So let's discuss the steps involved. Just revise what steps are involved in your mechanism. So first step is just your oxidative addition takes place. Palladium 0 is converted to your palladium 2 states. Further there is a alkene coordination. Further there is a migratory insertion of your R group is migratory inserted to your alkene, and after that beta hydride elimination takes place. So after beta hydride elimination takes place, there is a cis trans isomer takes place, and at last reductive elimination of your palladium metal takes place, and we get at last palladium in your zero oxidation state. So these were the steps involved. In most of the coupling reaction, these are the common steps involved. So all steps are common in every coupling reactions, whether it may be any coupling reactions, okay, whether it may be a Kumada coupling, whether it may be a Sono-Gashira coupling, okay. So the steps involved in mechanism are same. Let's move towards the next slides. So these are the some examples of your Hake reaction. So in first example, we have used vinyl iodide is taken, and that is treated with your alkene, and the addition takes place in your trans manner, okay. So coupling reaction addition takes place in your trans manner, so we get a final product. Similarly, we have used a aryl halide. Here X may be any group. X may be your bromine, iodine, or a triflate, like that, and that is treated with your alkene in the presence of your palladium metal in second example, and we get a just coupling of this two organic fragment couple in a trans manner. Further there is a third example, again aryl halide is treated with your alkene in presence of your palladium and base. So we get another trans product, and these products are useful in the synthesis of various medicinal, various polymers, various natural products are synthesized by this method. Okay, so let's discuss some intramolecular Hake coupling reaction examples. So intramolecular Hake coupling also takes place in some of the organic fragments. So here if you look, this bromine is your aryl halide, okay. So that is treated with your alkene that is attached with your another ring, but further there is a coupling of intramolecular reaction takes place and formation of your 5-membered ring pyrrole takes place, okay. So we get a indole like a moiety, and there is a attach of your cyclohexane ring at last product. Further there is another second example of your intramolecular Hake coupling reaction. So we have used iodo and alkene. Another, there is a coupling of reaction takes place in a intramolecular fashion. This iodine is replaced, and there is a formation of your 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring takes place, and just there is a intramolecular Hake coupling reaction takes place in a trans manner. So this was all about your Hake coupling reaction, and these are the some examples of your Hake coupling reactions. So if you look this topic in CSIR NET as well as GATE preparation, so many examples are come in this examination. So there is a lots of weightage to this कपलिंग रिएक्शन टॉपिक. ठीक है. सो आप कपलिंग रिएक्शन के एग्जाम्पल काफ़ी मतलब लॉन्ग दिखते हैं बोल के छोड़ के मत आया करो एग्जामिनेशन में. ठीक है. तो आप अच्छे से वो एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व कर सकते हो इफ़ यू नो अ बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ योर कपलिंग रिएक्शंस. सो for more videos, if you like this video, please like the channel, subscribe the channel for this type of videos if you want. So please encourage and please motivate the channel. So if you like this video, please like the button and subscribe the channel for the latest news. Thank you for watching this video.